Andu 10 nimalivotiwa kwithiwa manaatiwe ni Thayu Kumana na mbanga kivathukanyo cia Mbua nene kauntini cia Kisoani. Otondu Angelina Muse mwandiki witu wa movo ukutwelesya Kamishena wa kaunti cia Kisoani Rhoda Onyancha niwaweta kana misyi 10 mana 3 nikunikite ni Mbua na kulasimika kuthaamiiw'a isioni ingi kusyiia mbanga.
Kamishena wa kaunti cia Kisoani Rhoda Onyancha nukwatakana kati wa andu 10 atatu ni kuma kauntini ya Kilifi, angi atatu kuma Kwale, ele kauntini ya Mombasa na angi ele kauntini ya Tana River. Vala kaunti ya Tana River kwithiwa nikunikite muno ni Mbua vala misimba wa 5,000 lasimikite kuthaamiiw'a isioni ingi.
So the monitoring of what is happening in this region is going on, and we are working closely with all the stakeholders across the region. As much as we are seated here in Mombasa, the agencies that I've said we are working with here in Mombasa, they are the same agencies that are working across the region. And I would also like to appreciate the counties because much of this work is happening at the county level. As the regional team, we keep moving. The past 2 days we were in Tana River. Today we are in Mombasa. Then we may move to Kwale.
Kaunti ya Mombasa misimbe wa 380 nikunikite ni Mbua etina nyumba sio komoka na ingi kulika kiwu. Kauntini ya Kwale misimana 380 na imwe ikuneka Lamu misimana 305, Kilifi misimana 4 na kaunti ya Taita Taveta misimiongo 9.
We've also agreed that Mombasa we are going to come up with a multi-agency assessment team that is going to involve all the stakeholders, including the county government. That way then we are able to assess how many people have been affected, how many families, what requirements do we need so that we are able to reach out to those that are affected, what kind of infrastructure have been affected in the county, and then how do we address them.
Kamishena unu kwatakana nema kuthukuma memu ambana serikali cia kaunti na mevia ingi kusyiia mbanga iyo vamwe na kutethesya misyi ile kunikite ni Mbua vala serikali yumite makunia mana 5 ma musele, mana 530 ma mboso, katoni mana ili cia nyama cia mukeve, mavula na mavati kati wa isamu ingi cia kutethesya misyi kauntini ya Mombasa.
We will fully support those in distress, the population of people which has been affected. We are aware that 6 sub-counties have been affected. Many people have been, as many as 3,000 households have been affected, have been damaged. They have been displaced, and there are people who are experiencing problems of food. There are people who have problems of shelter, and therefore I'm here today to give the assurance that the government will fully stand with the people of Mombasa and give it the necessary support to cushion them out of this humanitarian crisis.
But I want to appreciate the governors across the counties and the county commissioners, because they are the people that are coordinating the other agencies in ensuring that we have food and food support to the affected families, and also non-food items to the displaced communities.
Na Governor kaunti ya Mombasa Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir ni watetea 14 ndima ilalamika kana ilovia sia kukitana mbanga kavindani kambwa ini tumikite na yaweta kana vailovia mana akwata kuma kwi serikali nene.
I need to make a decision that is going to be firm on the people. But if need be, that there's a need that we have no option except to put a building down, we will have to put a building down. But I want to assure you, in some areas, it is not an issue of a building. It is an issue of a whole township. We have received 0 funding in regards to El Nino. Nikisema 0 na maanisha sufuri. Haya yote tunayafanya wenyewe. Talking about the last 2 days, this is going to cost us almost around 30 million.
Ngilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Muse.